It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Lesson Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. And in today's video, we are going to learn how to create amazing 3D images like this using Bing AI or for free step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are already new to this channel and you love AI content like this with prompts, consider to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell so each time I post valuable content about AI content, you will be notified.
Welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your browser. Then you come to the top right here, and what you need to do is to type in Bing and press enter. Then click on the first result right here, bing.com. This is going to pump out. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here, click on images. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create. Now the next thing you want to do is that you need to come and click on join and create. Then click on sign in. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create with any email or Gmail or phone. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create one. So right here, there are different options you can use to create a free account with Microsoft. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on get a new email address. Then right here, enter your name. So after having entered your username, you come here, choose the option, is that Outlook or Hotmail? So I'm going to leave it on outlook.com. Then I'm going to come here and click on next. So the email is already exist. So let me add 2024. Then Outlook and click on next. So at this point here, we need to enter the login password. So you have to create your login password. So after you enter your login password, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on next. Then click on got it. Then right here, you have to enter your first name, your last name, then click on next. Then choose your country right here and choose your date of birth. Then choose your year. Then come down below right here, click on next. Then the security question right here. So just click on next. So use the arrow to rotate the object to face the direction of the hand 1 of 5. Okay. Then click on submit. So use the arrow to rotate the object to face the direction of the hand. So we can use this one. Then we click on submit. So the same options. So this one here, this one here. Then we click on submit. Then we can use this one right here. Okay, submit. So the very last one. So we can use this one right here. Good, submit. So verification complete. So we can click on sign in to synchronize right here. Then enter your login password. Then click on sign in. Then click on next. Welcome back, friends. So after you successfully create a free account with Copilot or Microsoft Bing, next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the prompt column right here. Type in your prompt right here. But I'm going to paste my prompt. Ctrl V to paste my prompt, and then you can also check the description of this video to get this particular tutorial prompt. Okay, after you have pasted your prompt, next thing you want to do is to come to the angle right here, come to this side right here, and make sure you click on create. Wow, so here's the result right here. So I'm going to download this image. For me to download, I just have to click on the image. Then I'll come down below right here. I'll make sure I click on download. Then I click on here to check on the second image. Then I click on download, result right here. I'm going to click on here to close the result. Then I will modify this particular prompt. Then I will modify the prompt from the top right here. So I'm going to change from large tiger. So I'm going to change this to fox. Then I'll click on create right here. Create. Now take a look at the result right here. It's almost similar. So I'm going to select on this. Then I'll click on download. It's as simple as that. For this particular tutorial prompt, you can check the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorial and with prompt like this. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.